If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Apple One, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the Apple One app. Launch the Apple One app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with the Apple ID associated with your subscription. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, locate and tap on your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings section of the app. Step 3. Find pending transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the pending transfer. Tap on the pending transfer you wish to cancel. This will bring up more details about the transaction, including options for cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the pending transfer. Make sure to read any confirmation messages to ensure the transfer has been successfully cancelled. After completing these steps, you should receive a notification confirming the cancellation. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.